I found them. They were hidden behind the makeshift scrambler track I made last night after I made this video. Or I think it was before. And just let the paint dry overnight. Jesus. Alright, so you know the routine. You take it out of the goop, you scrape everything off. Pretty damn sure. Well, I don't know. This is an old car, but I'm pretty damn sure all the paint came off. Look at that. Goop on, goop off. Now most of the paint, yeah, the paint's gone. Most of the paint was back there. I can't get a good grip on this. Hell, I'm just going to have to hold it. There was paint in there. I think my brush is getting clogged up. But I'll be guaranteed all this paint is coming off with a nylon toothbrush. Alright, so that's out of the goop. Came out pretty damn good. I think I need another toothbrush. Because way down in there, it didn't scrape it out, but I used a toothpick. Now I'm using a file. But that's going to have some, that seems rough. It's going to have white primer first. Well, it depends what color I'm using. If you use white primer, it makes it brighter. If you use a gray, medium, and black, dark. Now, you can use the same paint, but it depends on the undercoat. Like if I did a white and then silver and then a transparent, it'd be totally different. But I'm going to use this bright red. It's pretty bright. I mean, I got crimson. No, that's pearl red. I had a crimson. What the hell is this? Pearl magenta. No, ain't using that. I had a crimson. I was sitting here. It was here a minute ago. God, this sucks getting old. It was right here. Those are all greens. Where the hell is a crimson? Jesus Christ. This is a green. This don't belong here. That's where the crimson used to be. Alright, so the inside, like I said, it's hard to get everything in there. This stuff's so thick, but you're not going to see it. The outside looks great, except for this spot right here. You know, I had a question about that before I put it in the goop. I might get a brass brush. I don't want to use these, they're too coarse. But that came out right. Here's the bottom. All that black's gone. Showing signs of age. I don't know if I should use the flits. I don't want to use any kind of a hard brush. I'm hoping to get this shiny again. But this is that cheap ass pop metal. You can't even weld it. You can't do shit with it. Same with these. I mean, you can't even electroplate them unless the only thing that'll stick to this cheap ass metal is zinc. I've got videos on that. Alright, you're gonna mess with this, you better wear these. I gotta clean them up. Alright, well, this helped a lot. However, there were some deep pits and one big scratch, so I had to go with the rubbing compound. Brand new buffing wheel. Put this somewhere. And then I went back with the flits, which I think this is just as damn same as the metal polish cream, which actually separated and melted from the heat. But I buffed it up, washed it, cleaned it off. I don't want to get no fingerprints on it. But at 2 times with my nerd glasses, with these things, I still see one small pit in there. It's over on this side somewheres. But yeah, I think from the original, I'm pretty damn clear. Did the inside too, because the inside was, I guess, just dirty. And then, trying not to touch this. Trying not to touch it. Did my best to get the back windshield, but you really can't see anything, and the insides. So, that part's done. That's pretty crystal clear. Look at that, you can see right through it. Look at that shit. I mean, look at that stuff. Oops. I'm pretty happy on that. The wheels I still got to find. Anyone suggest a shop I could buy Ferrari wheels? What size are those? Yeah, okay. I don't know. Hang on, I'll find out. Where's that caliper? So these wheels, 10 3/4 millimeters. For wider objects, I like to use the wider jaws, so it says 10.76. Shit, 10.74. Alright, we're going 10.75. This car had a rough life. 10.79. I mean, these tires are just shot. So, what do you think? 11? 10.67, 10.55, yeah, he's effed up. 10.49. Alright, so they might have been 11 at one time. They are really rough on the bottom, like somebody tried to sand them. Now, with trying to show 5.5, doesn't want to participate. Huh. 555s. 533s. So I'd like gold, but these are chrome. So where's the one I dropped? I know I'm going to step on it. Alright, we got to paint. Not tonight. The weather's all humid and sticky and just not good for painting. Gloss black. That was gloss black. And that's going to be my bright red. I may try to do a white with a silver and then the bright red, but I think the old peg is just going to cover it up, so I'm not going to do that. Not going to do it.